What's up, guys? This is the Nemesis Coupe with another video, and today I'm going to be talking to you about our 2013 Dodge Dart Rally 1.4 liter turbo. We are going to be getting rid of this actually very soon. It's just so many problems are popping up and we can't keep up with them, and at this point it's not even worth it. So we're going to be getting rid of this car. We are going to be taking a road trip on Saturday to Maryland to go pick up her new to her car, a GMC Envoy. Now here, these 5 codes are codes that I got prior to clearing them. Now this P1 CEA code, this one, I'm not sure 100% what it is, but some associate it with an ECU malfunction or just a bad ECU. The Downstream fuel trim system one, I got a bunch of those. That I know for a fact is caused by the upstream O2 sensor being faulty, and there, here's the P0140 code for that O2 sensor. I've replaced that thing I don't know how many times and replugged, redone everything, and it still comes back every single time. Now these next codes that are going to be after these are after I cleared everything. Downstream fuel trim system 1 lean, I kind of figured that one was going to come back, but after I cleared them, this seemed to be the only one. This one, they all came back except for the P1 CEA code. This one is new. This one, I'm not, basically the P1 CEA code was replaced by that, and here's the video of that little lightning bolt in the corner flashing, check engine light, and the traction control constantly being on. So, not sure what's up with that, but just want to let y'all know I will not be making any more Dodge Dart videos. I apologize, but I guess I can start making GMC Envoy videos. So, stay tuned for more information, and I will catch you guys later.